Okay, can you see the screen all?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yes.
So let me start with this one. So as you can see, the questions giving us about recommendation a place to go on holiday. So let's move on to the next paragraph. Okay, here we go. So I just write, I hope you are well. I've got place to spectacular place. Then tadi saya ganti dia, saya coret. Then I change. Ini tadi saya coret ya. So ini dicoret tadi diganti dengan apa? Apa tadi teman-teman ganti menjadi beautiful, can be nice, can be delightful. Because spectacular is not colloquial with a place, so you need to change them. It's not good enough here. Okay, so now let's move on to the next. Okay, the next we have, here we go. The paragraph 2, I'm focusing on when. Jadi teman-teman bisa perhatikan, saya fokus when. Then I say, I went to Shanghai in China a fortnight ago. Fortnight, it means that 2 weeks, 2 weeks ago. And it was just a perfect. It only takes about 3 hours from where you live. And there are some direct flight. We also visited a few other cities in China. So this is me smiling. But Shanghai was our favorite. See? As you can see here, so I describe the word of when. Okay? I use different tenses. This is past. This is past. This is past. And also this is past. But when it comes to general truth, I switch from past into simple, simple present. Because this is general truth from the place, it takes around 3 hours. So this is the paragraph 2. So if you see in overall, here we go. So this is my salutation. Okay, pembukaan purpose-nya, this is the purpose. This is the second body paragraph. I'm talking about state. And the third paragraph, you need to talk about, here we go, state. And the fourth paragraph, you need to change your tenses into can do. So here we go. So after you write your fourth paragraph, then let's move on to the closing statement. So whatever you want to say, you can say anyway. Let me know if you have any question about your trip. Best wishes and your name. So our task next, tugas kita selanjutnya adalah teman-teman akan menulis one detailed paragraph talking about state. And teman-teman talking about state. Okay? So but when you write this one, no more than 4 sentences. Can we start now? Okay, so you can start now. Then once you are done, then you can send it to the chat room. Then we will discuss it. Post it. Yeah. Okay, let's start it now. You can also check the Telegram because I will send you this PDF to the Telegram for our group. Okay. So let's start it now. Teman-teman bikin satu paragraph talking about state. You can check the questions through the Telegram we have.
Mr. Eddie mute.
Hello, do you have any questions? So your task is to write body paragraph 3. You are talking about paragraph state. If you want to know the questions, then let's go to your Telegram. Then you will see the PDF that I sent. You can see the questions there on the Telegram. Okay, so please write one body paragraph talking about state. Make sure you need to make it more detailed into 3 to 4 sentences. One body paragraph. Thank you for sending to me. Okay. I will discuss this. I will move to teman-teman yang lainnya bisa lihat PDF yang saya kirim di grup. Sekarang saya akan mendiskus punya Fatika. Miss Fatika, are you there? Miss Fatika? Miss Fatika, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, let's discuss your writing. So I decide to stay in my friend's flat since it's more cheaper. Good. Tapi saya akan ganti, instead of you say it is more cheaper, tidak begitu bagus. Ada vocabulary-nya? Do you have any idea how to change this? You need to change into more cheaper menjadi it is affordable.
Affordable.
You need to change, right? So it is
Affordable.
yeah, affordable. Double. Then you write affordable instead of
More cheaper.
more cheaper, right? And because itu terjadi past, so you need to change into worse. Di sini cheaper you change. Okay. Sip. My friends also, my friend's flat also make me more enjoy. No, I think you need to change. So ini diganti menjadi ganti apa? Karena dia simple.
Oh ya, simple past.
Yo, you need to change make me more enjoyable. Bukan enjoy, but enjoyable. Okay, you need to change into enjoyable. With my time. Then you need to change with my time there. Okay. Because it is near from many public facility. Karena ini apa? General truth, then you can write it is near from many public facilities.
Oh ya, it is.
Dan sebagainya. Dan I want you to di sini pakai koma ya. Comma here, right? So I want you to put comma. If you have a three idea in a row, then I want you to put comma. Thank you. Sip. Sekarang Miss Fatika pindah ke nomor paragraf berikutnya. You can use what you can do there. Okay, you can read what you can do there, right? Thank you. Aku akan cek teman-teman yang lain yang barusan mengirimkan saya. Mr. Roma. Mr.
Jadi
Roma.
stay in my friend flat since it was affordable.
When I was there, hati-hati, Mr. Roma, you need to change this menjadi huruf besar.
Oh,
You dong.
oh yes sir.
Diganti lagi ini lagi huruf besar lagi, oke? Ini nama kota, berarti you perlu pakai huruf
Besar sir.
besar, so capital.
Oh,
Okay. Okay. I stay in a hotel, Fuyung Hai Hotel. Hotel which is one of the best hotels. Okay, if you have this one, kalau you punya one of the best, berarti di belakangnya pakai S.
oh iya.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
one of the best hotels. Okay, you put there. In Shanghai, betul. Shanghai adalah nama tempat. Kalau nama tempat, berarti you perlu
Lebih besar.
capital letter there. Itu, okay. Sip. Okay, good. Oke, kita mulai lagi. And it spends about blah blah blah, and I thought you need to change lagi. Ini perlu diganti lagi. I thought that it was strategic place for going around to Shanghai. You perlu ubah. Jadi hati-hati huruf-huruf besarnya.
Yes sir.
Shanghai, because we could directly go on to public transportation. Thank you very much. I'll save it.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. And I will come to you here. Daeng bulan. Okay.
Banyak salahnya ini.
I stayed in a hotel Sentani. Venue ini hurufnya huruf kecil. Oke. Okay.
Oh, itu hotel maksudnya.
Oh, hotel A.
Ya, nggak ada ide.
Oh, okay. I stayed at a hotel, okay, in Sentani venue, number 3 kilometers airport to the central cities. I suggest you to choose the room number 30. Enjoy breathtaking scenery. More, I suggest you choose. Okay, di sini no comma here.
Oh, yes.
No comma here, right? Okay, no comma then. Breathtaking scenery from the balcony. I purchased the room. Only other for last room, delicious food and great possibility. Di sini you need to put comma. Hospitality.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I need to put comma here, right? Okay. Thank you ya. Next, let's move on to the next paragraph. Saya punya Miss Francie. Miss Francie. Okay. Okay, Miss Francie. I stay in Bali Hotel, Bali Street. Okay, as they offer a package price per week, so we can pay business as usual because you use Miss Francie over, so I think we change into good. Is that okay? The price included breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I think it's you need to also put a comma here. But I skipped the lunch because we went outside for shopping. The hotel is very near to the shopping center and religious place too. Therefore, di sini juga koma Miss Francie. Koma, we can just walk along. So we just walk di sini and did not have to pay. Di sini you need to change. Perlu disamakan, did not. So we could just take a walk and did not have to pay. Did not have to pay for pay di sini. Pay more. Oke, good. Teman-teman semua sudah selesai, mantap. Sangat detail. Nanti saya akan kirim. Sangat detail, very detail. This is what you need to do. Thank you. Now let's move on to the next paragraph. Paragraph 4. So your task in paragraph 4 is to discuss what you can do there. Apa yang teman-teman lakukan di sana. So you can talk about sightseeing, you can talk about whatever, but supposed to be related to the activity. Mungkin kalau pagi kita bisa ke park, taman. Kalau malam kita bisa duduk-duduk sambil minum kopi. That's the idea. Okay, what we can do there. Itu yang teman-teman bisa buat di sana. Sip. Silakan dilanjutkan. And once you are done, put it here. Let me start with you, Miss Fatika. Miss Fatika. So there were two places that gave me unforgettable moment. So beware of di sini, Miss Fatika, karena you need to talk about
The visualization.
Oh, I'm sorry, Mr. Reddy.
the tenses. What you can do there. Okay, you need to change the tenses. You can do there. Jadi tensesnya simple present.
Morning.
Yo.
Okay. Thank you. I
Perhatikan
try
tensesnya.
to.
That
You change the
motion in
tenses.
the morning.
Yo.
I appreciate the King Museum.
Yo. I omit this one ya. I delete this one because irrelevant.
How the people
What you can do there.
can visualize. I found lots of information. Yes, about how the country's effort, country effort
What you can do there.
to resolve their environment. It is good for you. It is good for you as a Thank you.
So okay, let me start it this one. Lain bulan. So I spend most of my time for city tour. I visited green museums in the morning. I think it's because this is the name of the museum, so you need to put uppercase, okay?
Okay.
Okay, green museum in the morning. I found pay attention to the tenses. Miss, all the tenses you have here simple past, past. No, you have a wrong tenses.
Oh,
Okay, diganti.
siap,
Tidak, yes, kalau tensesnya salah bahaya. Oke, makanya di sini saya kasih besar-besar tensesnya supposed to be. Oke, yo, present. Oke, ini saya hapus ya.
Saya edit dulu lah.
Yo, edit and send it to me. Okay. Two participants hands me the writing. Yes, Atika. Okay, I'll check it then. Wait for a while. Wait for a while. I need to charge my cell phone. Okay. I'll take it. Okay, put it here. Okay, start. Since my friend flats, oh tidak bisa. Ini flats pakai S, so you need to put S-nya satu dicoret. Okay, then we is accessible from the city center that I can substance sitting in some beautiful places such as Sukoto Temple as the oldest one in town city which offer the magnificent cultural symbol which depict. Terlalu panjang, capek saya baca, Mistika.
Mr. Reddy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ya kan? Aku ngos-ngosan
Yeah.
baca. Yes, I think it's you need to learn how to
Yeah.
put yes, okay, good, but takes time to read. Kita ngos-ngosan baca, jadi aku bantu untuk mengkes. Since my friends di sini koma, I have something known as the only ones. Okay, di sini titik, Miss. Oke, kan much better tuh.
Okay, much
Kita taruh
better.
di sana titik, kemudian orange di situ titik, kemudian di sini kita ganti this. Oke. This over the magnificence bla bla which depicts, di sini pakai depicts. Depicts stories in the world as a content creator it offers me dan sebagainya. Are you content creator, Miss?
No.
I think
Actually, no.
I think you're a content creator. Okay. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Reddy.
Okay, so dan Bulan. Belum? Belum ya dan Bulan. You did?
Yes, I did.
So but I think it's the tenses you have still wrong tenses I think, Miss Bulan.
Yang nomor yang span.
That's great, right? You need to change. I spend most of it. Mungkin jangan pakai nih, much better if you use present perfect.
Oh, I have span.
Jadi masih ada bau-bau sekarang dan bau-bau kemarinnya.
Oh iya.
Karena ini dia informal, jadi kita pakainya I've spent most of my time for city tour. I strongly recommend you to visit the Green Museum near the cinema. Lots of information about the country efforts on preserving, not preserve, on preserving their environment is available there. Okay, are available there. Therefore, you can learn waste management every Monday, huruf besar.
Oh iya. Thank you, sir.
Okay. You're welcome. Okay, thank you. This is arts. Okay, some information is recorded. And then let's move on to Mr. Roma.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's start it now. You know, I really like beach, so I went to I go to I go to St. Elizabeth. I suggest you to go there in the morning. In the noon, I choose to enjoy my lunch restaurant court, and also we can taste the local cuisines, and you can go to okay, Sid, you have no problem for this one. Then I will show you one of the idea. Okay, thank you. Okay, for this one, good. Okay, I will write you then. Let me check it. I'm waiting for Miss Francie, I think. Yep. Okay. Before I show you my writing. Miss Francie, have you sent me?
Yes.
Yes, I'm with where Miss Francie for the third paragraph.
Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry.
This is the paragraph that you sent it to me. I think it's so we are talking about you can do that. What you can? Okay, thank you, Miss. This is good. Let me check it then. Okay. So after taking a walk and shopping around this, shopping around activity, shopping. After shopping around the city center, shopping around activity, shopping after a walk and shopping.
Activity ya,
We don't need
nggak
to.
usah ya.
Yes. Okay. We went back.
Activity harusnya
Hati-hati.
jamak ya, Mr.
Yes, karena dia banyak.
Activities ya. Oh ya.
Bentar, I change this one. So shopping.
Activity.
Yang begini-begini yang perlu diperhatikan.
Yes.
Oh, you need to pay attention to this one. Okay, for that we went back to hotel. Hati-hati tenses.
We go back.
Yeah, we go back. Okay, so we can go back to the
We
hotel.
can go back.
Okay, we can go back to the hotel, and the hotel always serve the night entertainment for us.
Berarti ini tidak menceritakan pengalaman saya ya. Maksudnya kita kasih advice ke dia kalau kita bisa balik ke hotel gitu ya.
Betul sekali. Ya,
Okay.
kita bicara tentang teman kita. Kalau dia ke sana kan.
Ya.
Oke. Sip. Makanya ada beberapa tadi teman-teman yang sepertinya tidak relevan, seperti kayak ini I go, but it's fine. Nanti saya akan review lagi. So overall good. Very good. You can enjoy live music and cafe. Ini Miss Francie. Ini nih. Nanti malam bisa talk to Mr. Tom atau kalau tidak nanti bisa visit Khan Academy. This is we call run on sentences. Sentence pertama ini. Sentence kedua ini dan dia salah. Untuk membenarkannya bukan also. Nanti ditambahkan and. Selesai. Oke. And also. Kalau nggak ada ini, tinggal. Pokoknya ditambahkan ini deh. Fun boys. Do you know fun boys?
Yes.
For and but or yet so. Tapi nanti selalu ada koma mengawali. Koma. Sip ya. Okay, that's great. Saya save dulu. Seperti itu, friend. So let me give you an example for this one, then I will write for you. So if you see, betul tadi Miss Francie bilang tentang you can do that, bukan kita, tapi teman kita ketika dia mengunjungi tempat itu. Kita bisa mulai dari misalnya begini. Aku agak gede-gedein sedikit. Ngapain aja di sana? Tuh. Miss Francie sudah menunjukkan kalau malam kita bisa ngapain. Kemudian ada apa untuk anak kecil. Sangat detail. Kita bisa bilang, there are lots of activities to do there. Okay. There, comma. But the favorite one for apa ya for visitors apa kira-kira misalnya the visitor as what the favorite one for visitor is
Live music.
Shopping. Di mana-mana orang suka shopping ya. Is shopping one. Okay. So there are a lot of activity there, but the favorite one is adalah shopping. Kemudian teman-teman menjelaskan lagi shopping itu seperti apa supaya lebih detail. So you can, karena kita bicara teman kita toh, you can stroll around the shopping center, oke, pusat perbelanjaan yang menawarkan, ingat di grup kita sudah belajar apa? Adjective clause ya. Yang menawarkan good price for let's say for branded items. Oke. Sip. Oke, berarti saya sudah menjelaskan tentang shopping. Kemudian saya akan menjelaskan waktu yang lain. In the evening, apa kita bilang? Ngapain? Ngapain kita di evening? You can have some cup of coffee. You can have some cup of coffee while listening. Tadi Miss Friends bilang apa? Listening live music ya? Listening live music in the apa lagi namanya, in live music after hours. Okay. In the evening you can have some cup of coffee while listening live music. Sorry, salah. Live music after hours. Okay, this is great. This is the activity. You see, I use all the simple present, and I describe what kind of activity. The first activity is shopping. Okay, another activity is having cup of coffee while listening to live music after hours. Okay, atau mungkin listening after music after hours bisa ditambahkan lagi in one of the best cafes. Seperti itu. So see how many sentences I have. 1, 2, 3. Saya hanya mempunyai 3 sentences. 3 titik maksudnya. Oke, sekarang saya pindah ke nomor 4. Nomor 3. I'm talking about mana ya tadi ya? Stay. Jadi saya akan fokus dengan stay-nya. Ada beberapa teman-teman tadi masih tidak stay-nya masih agak kabur. Dan I can say sini I stay di mana betul? Saya stay in saya pakai idenya Frenzy. Saya stay in Berlin Hotel. Okay. Located in let's say city center. Sekarang aja kita ya. Located in center. Oke. Selesai. Kemudian saya akan menjelaskan hanya hotel saja karena kata kuncinya adalah stay. It wasn't, karena ini adalah in informal, dan I say it wasn't big or let's say expensive, tidak besar dan tidak mahal, but okay, I really like the service that the hotel yang hotel tawarkan, that the hotel offer, right? And then apalagi di sana yang kita suka? Not only this, ada berapa itu? Not only this, then the hotel Which? Kenapa kira-kira which? I really like the service the hotel. And apalagi namanya? And they made us a home cooked meal every night as they bentar. Oke, sip, ini aja saya bikin. So where you stay? I stay in Berlin Hotel located in city center. Oke, kemudian saya jelaskan hotelnya. It wasn't a big or expensive, but I really like the service the hotel offer as they made us a home cooked meal every day. I like the service. Apanya yang saya suka? Cara masaknya. Oke. Ini juga sebenarnya masih bisa di breakdown. Kita masih bisa breakdown. It wasn't a big. Itu apa kira-kira? It wasn't a big. Only expensive. Saya bisa jelaskan lagi. With apa? It wasn't a big and expensive with apa? With two story. With two story. With story. So it wasn't big or expensive. Which sebentar. With two stories, with two floor aja. Floor, with two floor and bentar. It wasn't a big two floors, okay, or expensive that I paid berapa ya? Paid less than 5 rupiah per night. But I really like. Okay, here we go. Jadi saya menjelaskan it wasn't a big two floors only or expensive that I paid less than 500 rupiah per night, but I really like the service the hotel offer as they made us good. Okay. This is very detailed. I think I'm talking about the Berlin Hotel located in city center, only 2 floors that I need to pay less than 500 rupiah. Okay, let's say 900 lah. I like the service hotel offer this. Okay, that's the idea. So I will tell you that when it comes to letter, yang paling penting adalah paragraf pertama. Perlu jelas purpose-nya. Setelah itu paragraf 2, 3, dan 4 tugas teman-teman memperhatikan yang biru ini. Biru yang ini dan biru yang ini. So pay attention to the tenses. Kalau teman-teman terbiasa dengan writing letter, nanti akan membantu pada saat speaking part 2. This will help you when it comes to your speaking part 2. Because speaking part 2, it's close to writing task 1 for general training. Questions? Sebelum kita tutup. Any questions?
No.
Francie, clear ya? Jadi Miss Francie, tugas Miss Francie dan teman-teman general lainnya adalah minta sama saya soal-soal general training, tugasnya adalah menulis sebanyak mungkin dan secepat. Because we only have 20 minutes. Less than 20 minutes, then game over. Oke. Oke.
Mister itu
Yeah.
kalau kita tulis biasa, kalau
Yeah.
pakai apa itu namanya bolpen, kan kadang kalau salah tip X itu
Yeah.
kan nggak boleh.
Yeah.
Nggak. Itu kalau misalkan pakai bolpen yang bisa dihapus boleh nggak? Ada kan
Fine,
pulpen yang bisa
iya.
dihapus?
Pakai pena yang bisa dihapus. Dan
Oke.
Miss selalu ini apa? Leave one space. Dari paragraf 1 ke paragraf 2 itu spasi 1.
Oh ya, tapi nggak perlu masuk ya?
Nggak perlu masuk. Yang jelas spasi 1 paling penting ya.
Ya.
Kalau Miss Francie inginnya komputer, berarti mulai sekarang skill typing.
Oh ya.
Ya, kan? Seperti itu ya.
Ya.
Sip. Okay, thank you very much for today, everyone. So sorry for inconvenience, the problem. See you next meeting ya.
Oke.